Hello guys, welcome back to Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. Today I'm in Whitechapel again. I flew in this exact place, Allen Gardens, and we're going to just take off now. So the drone's up in the sky, as you can see. So it's partially sunny, but just going to go to this max height and just do a 360 photo. So I've flown in this exact area before, during the summer. So back in July or June, and now it's in the middle of winter now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to 360-degree photo. Just let it do a 360-degree photo. Ooh, alright, 360 photo complete. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to just zip around. So let's see where to go first. We'll try and go this way first. So it's down here. I'm just going to keep going down. We'll explore what's down there. So you can actually see the shadow of, that's actually the skyscrapers of the city of London, as you can see right here. So the shadows are actually from the skyscrapers. We can probably get a nice shot of going through it. If we descend a little bit, we'll probably see it. See, the shadows are quite harsh later in the day. So the Truman Tower right over there, I've flown near there before. We'll try and go there after. What I want to do, I want to try and go towards Shoreditch right now and get a nice shot in that area. So let's go towards there. We're going to go through these buildings. Wow, that is a sick shot. Just gonna keep going. I can still see the drone. Go through that. Okay, there's an authorization zone, so we'll come back now. Look at that, look how close we are to the building, look. What we can do, we can get a nice sideways shot of the building. Wow, that is sick. That is an amazing shot.
Max altitude reached.
And now we're at max altitude. Gonna get a nice 360 tour of it. What I want to do, I want to go towards here as well. Get a nice shot of these buildings. That's actually insane. Now what I want to do, I want to get a sideways shot. So I'm going to get a sideways shot. I keep going sideways. And then I just stay right there. What we'll do is we're just starting back. Let's go towards this way. There's probably some things that have changed, like the buildings, but I think not much has changed. I've flown here 6 months ago. So yeah, I tried to come early, and even now it's like 2 p.m. and it's still quite late, and it's still later enough in the day for the shadows to be harsh with the sun. When I flew in Barking Riverside, the shadows was harsh. So what we're going to do is going to go towards the other way. I'm going to keep going down. Actually, no, we'll go towards this way. There's a plane right above us. It's quite far, there's no point getting a shot of it. And look, there's a train coming here. You know what? Let's follow it back. So we're in the other field, Weaver's Field, which is near Bethnal Green, that area. So what we're going to do, we're just going to follow this overground train back to where we are. Actually, it stopped there. So what we'll do, instead, we'll just carry on going towards this side. See, it's sunny where I'm flying, but it's cloudy where I am flying from because it's being blocked by the City of London building. So just gonna keep getting a nice shot of that area. Who else can get a shot of? It's actually it's much better to get a shot when it's summer and the sun is literally high up in the sky. Like that's the best shot that I can get. So we're flying above this area now. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get a nice shot of coming back now. So you'll see very soon. You'll see the buildings block the sun. See, the shadows are quite harsh. See, look at that. And I remember when I flew here last time, there was actually a whole load of rubbish in this area. And now that it's gone, it's crazy. Literally a whole load of rubbish down there. I clearly remember that. Let's go near the Truman Tower. See, let's go towards this side. I've done with that side now. So this is actually near Brick Lane area. So I haven't flown down there before in my last drone flight. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to carry on going, get a nice drone shot of this area down there, this part of Whitechapel. So we'll just carry on going down and just get a nice shot. See, look at that. Get a nice shot of the area. I mean, it's not sunny because the sun's shadows are quite harsh and the buildings are quite built up in this area. So that is a Brick Lane. Here in East London. So yeah, let's get a nice shot of it until it goes down towards here. And what we'll do, we'll come back towards this area. And we'll get a nice shot of this area as we come back towards the park. There's a nice looking building down there. Let's get a nice orbit shot of that. And then we'll explore the main part of Whitechapel. Let's just carry on going down there. You can see on the skyscrapers, you can see the sun. You can see the sunshine, but not on the actual ground. Because that's what happens when you fly later in the day. If you fly like during noon, even in the winter, the sun is quite low in the sky, and right now it's really low in the sky when it gets close to sunset. So let's get a nice shot of this building over here. Let's get a nice shot of the top of the building. And then what we'll do, we'll go towards the main part of Whitechapel. So yeah, right over there is the station for Whitechapel.
Max altitude reached.
And we've got this nice building, Tower Hamlets Town Hall. Let's get a nice shot of that as well.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return.
And then what we got over here,
in 10 seconds.
what we got over here is the Whitechapel station. You can see the Hammersmith and City line go through there. So yeah, our battery is a bit low now. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna return home. And yeah, just return home. towards the Island Gardens. Yeah, it was quite a nice drone flight. It's just that I need to try and fly earlier in the day. But I don't think I can get much drone shots in the winter. Nice drone shots in the winter. It was much better in the summer. Like when I look at the summer, everything looks green. When I compare it to my winter drone flights, like when I flew early in the year,
Return to home promptly.
the flights were much better.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
And you see the overground return in the station. Alright, so then what we do, we just land the drone now.
She's like, I ain't got his phone, I swear, I've told him to search me and he won't search me. So I'm like, why ain't search for that?
Why is it doing that? I think what happens, sometimes I put my finger in front of the sensor and it confuses the drone. So yeah, most of the times I don't do that, but when I do that, it confuses the drone a little bit. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to end this drone flight here. I hope you enjoyed this one. This is a mad one, so thank you for watching and I'll speak to you in the next one.